For $600, the amount that you say you paid her for rent, and she refuses to return after not letting you stay there. Tell me what happened.
Are you liking this?
January 6th was, I
Are
didn't
you
know her.
liking
I
this?
was
You're
connected
crazy.
to her
You're a
through a
crazy
friend.
boy.
She had an ad out on Facebook, so we were
You're
connected.
crazy.
She was renting a room for my son to talk.
You want
I
more?
went to her
You
house
want
on
more?
January 6th.
What?
We
Your
signed a
buddy's out
receipt,
there, that's right.
and she agreed to rent me the room,
funny.
and I moved in.
Come on,
You're
Tom.
you're a silly dog.
He is. She's funny. Come here, Tom. Oh. Come here.
And then one night on January
Come here.
6th,
Stay
she
put.
went home from work late, and she woke me up with a cigarette.
Polar wants more.
I know. It definitely does. Polo, you want this? All right, hang tight. Hang tight, buddy. You want more spa treatment? You want more spa treatment? No, you want a treat. That's what you want. Come here. Come here. You are so silly. You are so silly. You are so silly. What? What? You're a good boy. You are a good boy. I know. I know. What? 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 You want a good boy cookie? You want a good boy cookie? All right. Hang tight, honey. One for you. One for you. Good boy, Tobe. All right, kids. I know. Go ahead, eat that one.